Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with another video. Today I am with the Majestic Taco. Oh yes, that's great. And we're babysitting a puppy. Say hello, Shadow. Say hello. Oh, you're gonna use the bathroom. Don't record.
I'm not recording, I'm doing Animal Jam.
Okay.
Anyway, on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comments, how would you rate this look? I think it's
Okay.
pretty intense.
Say hello, Shadow.
How would you rate this
Say hello.
look? Chubby chickens? What would you rate this look in the comments? Show them.
Okay.
Copyright. Show them.
Okay.
Yes.
I think I would rate that like a 10.
I know, I like it so much.
Yeah.
I won this bow on a live stream
Mm-hmm.
that I went to.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of items.
Got some grapes.
You'd be surprised what you can win on a live stream.
It's a bumblebee.
Still my Dan Pools come if interested.
Shadow, what do you have to say about today? Is it nice?
Yeah, it's a very nice.
Is it cold?
It's a
Or is it warm?
day in the neighborhood.
Okay. Got it.
Oh, I know.
We're having a fire later.
Play wild. I got treasure hunts to do. Let's see if I can win anything. Probably not. I never do.
I'm gonna eat some grapes right now. That's what I'm gonna do.
Good grape.
Yeah. It's really good grapes. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna show you guys my parkour course right now. So, oh, something broke. Watch out.
How you do it?
Yeah. So, it's not. So you have to run up this. You have to walk across that, which the Majestic Taco's doing. You have to go like that, and then you have to jump from right there to there. You have to jump, go over here, jump under that.
Break your boots.
Right? Oh, crap.
Fall.
Okay. You're not supposed to fall. But you jump back, come back. You jump up here. And then,
Hey Gavin, you know what the course is for lunch?
hold on a second. Okay, what is it? Okay, then you eat a grape, and then you come over here.
The grape part is very necessary.
You gotta go like that. You gotta walk across. You have to walk across that thing. Then run down that. Okay. There. I'll help you there, Shadow. Okay. So, that was my parkour course. Just gonna finish eating up my beautiful Majestic grapes. What you doing over there?
Treasure hunt.
Oh, that face expression. Want to go on a bike ride?
Maybe not.
Okay.
Let's see. Cheese hat.
I'm logged on to Animal Jam right now.
Bam.
So I'm going to pause the recording
Bam.
and get into Animal Jam.
Bam.
Okay, so I'm logging on right now. And oh, got that. Oh, I guess I can't do that right now. Come on this wall. Go like that. Because so I'm gonna go check that out. What? That? Yep, I'm buying that. I am buying that. Oh my god. I am a chicken. Why do I look like that? Taco, Majestic Taco. I have something to show.
GG. Wait, in a skeleton suit. What'd you do, Chubby?
Look it. Put on the chicken beak.
Yeah, it does that. Chopping just did a video.
Why does it do that?
We only haven't done snow leopards though.
Well, that's weird. Okay. No.
Yeah, it does it when you click on the player card.
Okay. So I'm not gonna wear the chicken beak. I'm going to make
You can do it on a different animal though.
a look with this. Okay, you're bouncing everywhere. It's not okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it. No. Wrong animal. I've clicked on the wrong animal. Okay, I'm gonna do it on a pig.
Oh my god, chicken beaks. You got any movie colors?
Yeah, I think so. No.
There's a glitch where doesn't the snow leopard something very
Okay.
happens. I'll go show you that.
So I'm gonna put that on. Okay. Then you gotta get that. And you gotta get that. And then, oh, I think I'm glitching out. Okay, there we go. I swear a tick was crawling on me. Oh, never mind. Gotta change this. Okay, there we go.
Chubby chickens turn into your snow leopards.
Why?
Hello.
Can't you just do it?
I don't have a snow leopard.
You don't have a snow leopard yet?
No, I spent them on spikes. I spent all my money on spikes.
Oh my god.
What for the top hat? Kid.
Wait, what?
What for the top hat? About a spike.
Okay.
Not a spike.
I am.
You want this beta item?
It's not beta.
Hey, it's my buddy. You want a top hat for a top hat? Here, take all my items.
Oh, thank you. Ew,
Yeah, that's
gross.
my buddy. No,
Get
you
up.
don't decline the buddy request.
I declined the buddy request.
You don't respect me. You don't respect me.
Okay. I'm making my chicken look right now.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Hashtag Chubby Chickens doesn't respect me.
Okay, so
Hello, my beautiful friend.
I'm a chicken.
Hello.
Okay.
I want to change into a different group.
I think that's gonna end my video here. If you liked it, please comment, like, and subscribe.
Subscribe to the Majestic Taco! The Majestic Taco, the Majestic Taco, the Majestic Taco.
Please don't.
Yes, please.
No.
I'll give you a rare on Animal Jam if you put in the comments I subscribe to the Majestic Taco.
If you subscribe back to me.
No, I'm talking to your fans. That if you put the Majestic Taco in the comments, I'll gift you a rare.
Why are they saying OMG to me?
OMG.
Or to you and me?
Because they see me, and they're really weird.
Okay, that's
I'm
gonna
Harley Quinn.
end the video
OMG,
here.
I'm Harley Quinn.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm Harley Quinn.
Ew, gross.
You're gross.
Ew, stop it.
Hold on, you want to see my Joker look?
Okay, that's gonna end my video right
Wait,
here.
I'm
If you
Joker.
liked it, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace.